Merry Christmas. I hate Christmas. How do you deal with Christmas? You drink. So, let's have a go at this. What we got here? Old familiar. That was nice. Spiced gin. Rhubarb and ginger gin. Gin, more gin, gin. This is quince gin, apparently. There we go. Ooh, that's quite nice. You had to have some rum in there. A bit of rum, that was nice. This is from Portugal. It's Portuguese. Tally ho. Oh, God, that's disgusting. Shh. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone I drank all of this, because that's bad. I've done a bad thing. Maybe I need to do something to make it better. Are you ready? How fucking festive is that? Hey? Look at that. It's lit up. It's lit up beers. It's lit up gin and things. It's amazing. Merry bastard Christmas. Now, where's the rest of that Portuguese stuff? I want to reappraise that.